Do you want to join Canva Pro team for free? Follow these steps. Before you follow these steps, you must have installed these two applications on your mobile. First Canva and second Canva Pro. You can download these apps from the Play Store. Open the Canva Pro application. Now, you can see the login page on your screen. Hit the Connect with Google button. Choose the Google account that you logged in with. Now, you can see the home page of the Canva Pro app on your screen. Hit the Get Link button. Now, you can see the plans page on your screen. Choose one of these and click the Continue button. This page will ask for your Canva account information, such as name and email. To get this information, follow these steps. Open your Canva application and click on the three-line icon at the top. Next, click on Settings. Then your account option at the top. After that, you will see your name and email on your screen. Copy this information. Paste, or write the information exactly and do not make any mistake. Double-check your information. It must be matched from Canva information because this information helps you stay in the team. If your information is wrong, the admin will remove you from the team. Click on the Continue and Pay button. Now, you can notice that the Team Join link option appears automatically. Click on the blue-colored link that has appeared. After clicking on the link, you will be redirected to the Canva app, and the Join Team option will appear automatically. Just click on the Join Team button, and you will join the group. Congratulations, now you have successfully joined the team. Now, go back